Hello everyone. Now I'll tell you how to make $5,000 in 15 minutes. New cryptocurrency exchanges set aside money in their advertising budget to give bonuses on the first deposit. And we, taking advantage of this, will receive these bonuses and withdraw the funds to ourselves. Stay tuned. I am demonstrating to you the one such of new exchanges, xbitup.com. xbitup.com provides a 10% bonus on the first deposit. And that's what we're going to use right now. We have to register an account on the exchange. It will take only a few minutes. Registration has got successful and we are logged into our account's dashboard now. We see the exchange interface, it very simple and convenient. There is a spot trading where a large number of cryptocurrency pairs are traded. But at the moment, we are not interested in this. We have to take out our bonus. There is a notification here that the exchange provides a 10% bonus on the first deposit. It's easier to me to top up a deposit in USDT on the TRC20 network. I've received a wallet address for replenishment. It is more convenient for me to make a deposit from another cryptocurrency exchange, bitget.com. It doesn't matter, because everyone chooses where to save their cryptocurrency. I am logged into my account on the Bitget exchange. This is my balance account, now it is slightly more than $50,000. Now, I am transferring these funds to the cryptocurrency exchange xbitup.com. Everything is formal here. I am choosing USDT on the TRC20 network and entering the previously copied address for replenishing the account on this Bitup exchange. For the safety of my money, I am hiding part of the screen with confidential information. I have a limit on this account. I'm able to withdraw of no more than $50,000 per day. I am putting the amount of $49,900 USDT just in case. I am verifying and confirming the payment. We should wait a few minutes and then I am returning to the exchange xbitup. Do you see it too? The balance is 54,890 USDT. I am opening the history of transaction. You can see a replenishment of 49,900 USDT. And I also see the added bonus of 4,990 USDT. It was promised at 10% of the first deposit. Don't dwell and withdraw the funds back to Bitget exchange. You will able to withdraw to any other convenient place. Firstly, I wanted to withdraw the whole amount, but I made a mistake in the account balance. I decided to leave some money for trading and studying the functionality of this exchange. It seemed very interesting to me. There is also staking and a trading bot. It seems to me very interesting and I have to study it more in details. After a few minutes, the money has already appeared on my account. So, it took roughly 15 minutes, I've earned about $5,000, absolutely easy and risk-free. I wish you to grab your bonuses while this promotion is still active. I want to tell the important information. This Bitup exchange uses a smart algorithm to detect multi-accounting. If there wasn't this algorithm, I would create new accounts every 15 minutes and take bonuses every time. But it doesn't work. There is the reason why I'm telling about this method to you. Hopefully you won't forget to thank me by sharing a small portion of your profit. I'll attach the Bitcoin wallet address in the description. Take a chance and good luck. I hope you see this video on time.